Welcome to the YogiSamantha YouTube channel. I'm Samantha. So for the month of June, I have decided that I am going to post every single day. So I would like to get a little bit better at talking to the camera and getting really consistent with getting things posted. So that is my pledge for this month, is to post something every single day. So I'm going to start this video with, it's not going to be perfect. These videos are not going to be perfect because I just have to get comfortable doing this. This video is about steadiness and ease. So there is not a lot of ease for me making these videos at all. I am learning how to edit videos. I'm learning how to make videos. I am learning how to be in front of the camera. It's all really new to me and it's all really uncomfortable for me. So this month is about me finding that ease. By just doing a little something every single day. The hardest part for me is I'm always like all or nothing. I'm always working really, really hard, or I am not working at all. And this is, since this whole pandemic thing happened, I realized that I need to find a balance there, so that I can be less stressed and feel better. Every day I plan on covering a topic, yoga related topic. I will post also some sequences for you to do, and then with each topic we'll do a meditation or a breath, a breathing exercise, or possibly even some chanting. Just a little something to, or maybe you'll learn something, maybe I'll learn something, and I'll get a little more comfortable and make the channel that I really want to make. So today, starting with wanting to do a meditation, we're going to start with a meditation. Thinking about so when we're on our mat, it's easy to notice, are we pushing too hard in a pose? Are we not pushing enough in a pose? Do we need to back off? Are we always pushing too hard on the mat? And then we learn how to back off and we learn how to work a little bit harder. Are we taking too many classes that we feel super comfortable in, like too many yin classes or too many power classes, and not trying some other classes? Those are kinds of things that we can take off the mat and we can use in our lives. Where in our lives are we pushing too hard? We're going 100% where we're gonna burn out. And where in those situations can we ease off a little bit and relax and maybe take some of that stuff off our plate, delegate some of it, maybe just let some of it get to be undone. Because sometimes that is the answer. And then other situations where we just, we're laying on the couch and doing a marathon of watching shows or something, finding a balance between the steadiness and the ease. There's room for everything. We just work on finding that balance, work on finding the yoga pose, not just on the mat, but in our lives. So this meditation today will be about taking a few moments, closing your eyes. So we'll bring the hands to the knees and palms down so we can ground into being in the reality of our lives for a few moments. And just close your eyes. And just think about a few situations that are going on in your life right now. where you might be being a little bit critical and you're pushing way too hard, where you might need to pick some things up and start moving forward with something. Where can you apply steadiness and ease in your life? Right now. And you might not have the answer of how, but being aware that something needs to change can be huge. So just become aware. And just take a few deep breaths. Letting the rib cage expand on the inhale and soften on the exhale. Make sure you're sitting up tall. The chin is pointing down just slightly. Soften the shoulders. And find the steadiness and ease in this posture. And we look for those things, the steadiness and the ease in postures on the mat. So we recognize the steadiness and ease when we take it out into our lives. Now softly open the eyes. Now, if you made it all the way to this point, to the end of the video, thank you so much. If you have some suggestions for topics that you would like me to cover on these meditation and talk videos, let me know. I am not a scholar. I am a yoga teacher, but I will find out as much as I can and learn right along with you. And we can talk about these topics together. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.